Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to add or remove alarm shortcuts in Control Center in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add or remove alarm shortcuts in Control Center, then simply swipe down in Control Center and then press and hold on blank space, and here you can see the option add a control. Click on it and then here you can search alarm, and here you can add alarm shortcut in your control center. And if you want to remove your alarm shortcut in your control center, then simply press and hold on blank space and simply click on this minus sign. Your alarm shortcut will be removed. So this is the way to add or remove alarm shortcut in Control Center in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.